Hello, welcome to my Fix It Jeff channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your home electric fan. This fan of mine has a problem on switching the unit on, especially on the lower speed. When you switch on to a lower speed, the fan blade is moving slowly or not rotating at all. And this is not safe and can cause fire that we do not want. So today I'm going to show you how to fix it, Jeff. First, remove the clip securing the front grille. After that, turn the securing knob clockwise. Be sure to unscrew it clockwise, and if not, you may damage the inner thread of the plastic knob. After removing the fan blade, you will find another knob. Unscrew it in a normal way on a counterclockwise direction to remove the back end grill. After removing the back end grill, remove the plastic plug on the top of the casing. This plug is for the panning of the fan. Slowly sway the plug from left to right and pulling it at the same time to unplug. Then, using a screwdriver, remove all the screw on the fan casing. Remember to unplug the power before doing this procedure. You can now see the electromechanical part of the fan, and try to clean it by moist rugs carefully for not damaging the electrical part. Remove the panning mechanism attached and the back end so that you may access its bearing. And by using a machine oil that can be bought from your local hardware, put 3 drops of oil on the bearing end of the fan and try to rotate it carefully. And suddenly you will notice that it's now moving easily than before. Proceed to the front end bearing and do that the same procedure as for the back end bearing. Put 3 drops of oil on the bearing and try to rotate it carefully. This is the panning mechanism of the fan. You may see some grease inside, and try to use a screwdriver to distribute the grease evenly inside. Then put back the panning mechanism, secure it using a screwdriver, and put all back the parts and assemble it back. After assembling, test if you fix it, Jeff. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.